Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is pigment. It is pronounced pig-ment and spelt P-I-G-M-E-N-T. Think pig and then ment. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at our upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Pigment is a noun that refers to a coloured substance that is used to give colour to paint, ink, or other materials. It is a substance that gives colour to living things, such as plants and animals, and also to inanimate objects, such as fabrics and buildings. For example, you could say, the paint was made with a variety of pigments, or the leaf had different pigments that gave it its many autumnal colours. The word pigment comes from the Latin word pigmentum, which means colour, the same as today. You get pigment in many different applications, from art and textiles to cosmetics and food. In the film Inside Out, the characters that represent the emotions such as joy, anger, sadness and disgust are all different colours, or pigments, representing the different moods. Anger is red, joy yellow, and sadness blue. Synonyms for pigment are dye, colorant, and tint. Antonyms for pigment include bleaching, whitening, and lightening. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, pigment. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.